Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn English vocabulary with the ABCs. I'll show you an image, ask you, what is this? And then reveal what it's called and which letter it starts with. It's a fun and interactive way to learn, so let's get started. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for glasses. H is for hand. I is for igloo. J is for jam. K is for kids. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for table. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yatch. Z is for zebra.